In this video, we will see how we can add this login button, okay, on this login screen, okay. So let's put this guy here, and if we go back to our code, what we want to do, we want to add this button between this forgot password and this I don't have an account, okay. So which is right here, okay. So yeah, what we need a button, okay. And what we can even do, we can simply copy this, okay. So if we copy this and paste it here, and here for the text, what we want this login. So instead of forgot password, what we want is login. And as you guys can see, we have this small login. Okay, so here we can style our button. So here we can add a font weight. It's gonna to be that semi-bold. The next thing we want to add a frame. So it's gonna to be that frame. Okay, and for the min width, we can specify the min width to 0, and for the max width, we can specify that to infinity. Okay, perfect. And now, in order for us to really be able to see this frame, what we can do, we can add our background color. Okay, so here that background color, and for us the color we want, as you guys can see, is still this my primary color. Okay, so here for color, what we want to specify that we want this my primary color. And by doing so, as you guys can see, we're able to see the frame of this button. Okay, and we can see that it doesn't look exactly as our finished app. Okay, so what should we do? The first thing we want to do, we want to add this padding, okay, because we want this button to be bigger. So yeah, after this frame, we can add our padding. So if we simply add this padding, as you guys can see, we have enough space. And now what we can do, we can change the foreground color. We want it to be white. So yeah, before this background, you can say that foreground color, and the color we want is this that white. Okay, perfect. And now our foreground color is white. The next thing we can do, we can change the corner radius. Okay, so yeah, first of all, let us remove this and this font. So yeah, after this background color, we can play with the corner radius. So that corner radius, and I think I'm typing in the wrong spot, so let me remove this. And I think our button, okay, I don't know what's going on, so let me put it here. So that corner radius, and here for us, we want to specify it to 10. Let's see the result. Oops, it's not working, and I know why. Let me confirm it. If we cut this and we put it here, yeah, okay, now it's supposed to work. Okay, so it wasn't working before because we applied this corner radius before our background color. Okay, so you guys should be aware of where you put some properties. Okay, because this corner radius is supposed to be applied after this background. Okay, so yeah, if you remove this empty space, and the last thing we want to do, we want to simply add this shadow. Okay, because as you guys can see, we have a small shadow here on this button. So yeah, after this corner radius, what we can do, we can specify that we want a shadow. And for us, for the color of our shadow, we want it to be black. And now we can specify that we want a radius of 5. And for the x-axis, we want it to be 0. And for the y-axis, we want it to be 4. And I think black does not look good, so instead of black, maybe let's say gray. Okay, and perfect. Okay, gray is less aggressive. Okay, so I think this button, it looks exactly as a finished app. Okay, so I think we successfully added this login button. So for us, the next thing we want to do, we want to style the entire screen. Okay, because as you guys can see, here we have the spacing here is too much, and also we still have to polish the entire app. Okay, or the entire screen. Okay, so guys, I'll see you in the next video for that, and I hope you have enjoyed this one. If that's the case, please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.